Customs Commissioner Nicanor Faeldon assures a no-tough policy will be implemented on balikbayan boxes. An exception, however, is when a questionable item is detected through the X-ray machine. Aya Macalma tells us more.
With Christmas just around the corner, it is expected that many people will be sending packages through balikbayan boxes, just as most Filipinos are used to doing, in keeping with their Yuletide tradition, given the numerous complaints received by the Bureau of Customs last year. The management assured that there will be no unauthorized opening of balikbayan boxes, unless in cases when contrabands are detected.
Our instructions to all our officials not to do any intrusive inspection. Walang bubuksan. If they are considered high risk, they will pass through X-rays. And kapag binubuksan kasi yan dahil meron siyang contraband, it's documented by videos and everything. Para pag pinresent sa kanya, ito yung nakita namin kasi dyan, may armas dyan may shabu dyan So the trail of the activities is supported by video.
PTV News was shown the whole process on how it is done. John Morales, X-ray facility supervisor of the BOC, explained that there is no physical contact in handling balikbayan boxes. In fact, whenever a container van arrives in the country, the whole cargo goes through the X-ray machine, after which the balikbayan boxes will be brought directly to forwarding companies.
Pag mag-X-ray kami sa isang buong container, kagaya nung nakikita ninyo dito, isang buong container. And kapag wala naman kami nakitang violation, walang information na mayroong ganon, na may possible violation ng mga prohibited items, we let it go and then didiretso siya sa warehouse ng forwarder. And dun sa warehouse ng forwarder, dun siya ididivan. Lahat ng mga contents doon ibababa sa warehouse na yon kasi doon nila isa-segregate kung saan provinces or cities dadalhin yon.
That is why the Bureau advises that the public make sure the forwarders are legitimate by checking out the companies registered in the customs, social media accounts, and website. Complaints could also be filed with the office if forwarders commit violations. For PTV News, this is Waywaya Macalma.